Though tailgating on the moon is still science fiction for now, rest assured LSU Tigers are tackling the toughest challenges in the way. Experts agree radiation is still the biggest roadblock to long-term space travel. Fortunately, LSU grad student Megan Chesel intends to find out just how radioactive our moon is.
The moon is a much better launching off place than Mars at the moment for like having a colony of sorts. And the number one, everything else can kind of be mitigated to a degree where you could have, it's close enough that if somebody has severe medical problems, you can send them back to Earth kind of deal. And so people staying for extended periods of time, the radiation risk is always going to be the primary factor.
Enter the Tiger I-1 radiation detector, a small device with big implications for space travel. The device has already been aboard the International Space Station to send radiation data back to LSU and NASA. Chesel takes this data and uses it in advanced simulations, mimicking real biological tissue, to understand how they're affected by these cosmic rays.
This gives us that first step to be able to figure out what exactly are the biological implications of extended time and space.
In early 2022, IM-1, a collaborative spaceflight between Intuitive Machines and NASA, will land on the moon with the Tiger Eye detector aboard. Every day for 2 weeks, Tiger Eye-1 will transmit the first ever radiation readings from the lunar surface to NASA and LSU students like Jared Taylor, who will analyze it and put it to work optimizing radiation shielding for future space flights.
We'll be able to know how many particles and how much energy was deposited. By using that, along with the detector properties, we can determine the actual spectrum.
The mission will land LSU its spot as the first ever university with technology on the moon.
Several government agencies have gone to the moon, but we would be the first academic institution to do so, which I think really opens a lot of doors for students and people wanting to get into this field.
As expected, LSU sports fans are excited about the bragging rights, but the real winners are the LSU science students. Wilton Landry, Tiger TV, Newsbeat.